So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove lines in your Adobe InDesign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your software in your computer, and after that you guys will need to create a new file. You guys can create a new file by just selecting one of these shortcuts, or you can select this button right here which says create new. Now if you select this button right here guys, you guys will get on this window, and on this window you guys see on its top left corner these options which are given to you. These all are the options of your template types that you can choose, and after selecting a particular one you guys will just need to select this create button right here, and after that you guys will get on this page right here. So as you can see guys, there this purple gradient colored line right here on your page, and you can remove it just by doing one of these methods. So guys, the first method is to select Control plus semicolon button, and you guys can see that I have removed it and undo it just right here like that. Control plus semicolon. Okay guys, now the second way to do it guys is to get on this properties section, and right under it you guys can see this guides section right here. Now just select this first option, and just like that guys you can remove it and get back to the line just like that. So if you select this button, or you guys can also use Control plus semicolon just like that to remove the lines from your page. So that's how you guys can be able to remove the lines from your page in your Adobe InDesign. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.